Hi, my name is Jawan Kim, and this is my lab 5, motion of the tissue. The purpose of this lab is being able to determine the falling object with the drag force. So this is the video, and this is the video which I dropped the tissue. It's not playing for some reason, but I dropped the tissue. So this one uses the fundamental topics of Newton's second law predicting the motion, and F net is not zero because with outside forces acting, it's dropping, and force acting on is gravity and drag force, which is in opposite directions. Oh, there it is. There's a video. And using the tracker program, I was able to get this. The graph has a positive slope because I accidentally flipped the axis. Therefore, I have a separate graph using the points given on the tracker program, and it put in the Google Sheet, which ended up like this. So this is my final observed position graph, which includes two forces acting on different directions, drag and gravity. So using the glow script in Python from lab 2, I was able to change the drag parts of the code, and now the force acting on it is gravity only, which wasn't the case in this graph where gravity and drag force was included using the glow script again from lab 2. And this one has gravity and drag, and we can use Newton's second law and momentum principle. So force acting on, so comparing the two graphs, left is with drag and right is without the drag. And as you can see, the difference between the two graphs become vastly larger as time increases, and that's because the drag force increases as the time increases, while the gravitational force is constant. So the glow scripts run simulation shows gravitational staying the same in the negative y direction and the drag force increasing in positive y direction. So I just answered the what if questions from lab 2 as well. And for the what if questions, examine the velocity versus time, predicting the models without drag. It's the motion with drag model. And when top arrow matches the bottom arrow, the net force is 0. Then it reaches the terminal velocity, which is like the max speed, which in this case net force is 0. And for what if section, imagine that the object initially thrown down will determine the velocity in this case be the same or different. The terminal velocity will be the same because even if it at an initial speed, at the end of the day, when it equals the gravity and the drag is when the terminal velocity is determined, and gravity and drag is always going to be the same. Thank you.